My gummies are done. I left these in the freezer for about an hour. They could absolutely set longer, but obviously I wanted to show you guys how they came out. So let's take a closer look. I'm going to pop this out. And there is one of our cherry glittery gummies. When the mix has the glitter inside of it, you absolutely can tell, but it's not going to be as obvious as if the glitter was on the outside, but it's still really pretty. I wanted to add even more glitter to it. I could take this infusion glitter or this infusion shimmer, test some of this glitter with a dry paintbrush because this little glitter gets all over the place and goes so far. I am just going to dab this fresh gummy just like this. Oh, and it's so pretty. You can also paint it on like this. You can really see how a little bit of this glitter goes so far. Absolutely like an edible, pretty little disco ball. Check that out. So this is our gold edible glitter. And then our infusion shimmer looks beautiful and like a potion when it's in the oil itself. But you can absolutely use this gold iridescent glitter on gummies as well. And you can totally toss them around in a Ziploc bag or a little ramekin like this, but it's much more like a golden iridescent powder, if you can see that. So one is more glitter flakes and the other is a golden iridescent powder. That is just so pretty. I love doing the paintbrush method. Obviously, it's not going to be the fastest way to decorate your gummies, but if you're just doing a few at a time, it is just so pretty. This came out really great, and these were made using the new LÄVO Gummy Mixer. If this video has been helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow our YouTube channel here at LÄVO. Leave a comment and let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see in the future, and we will get that for you.